See, after the amendment under the Indian Penal Code, perhaps this is the first landmark judgment wherein the acid throwing case, wherein the victim died on account of the burn injuries, the court has taken a very serious view, because we pointed out to the court that this is the rarest of rare case, because the accused had a plan to kill victim Preeti Rathi. Preeti Rathi was appointed as a lieutenant in Indian Navy. She's a Delhi-based girl. And when Preeti has decided to join duties, then the accused, because he had a unilateral love towards Preeti, and he offered her to marry with him, but Preeti had refused. And therefore, this had happened in the month of March 2013. The accused being infuriated, and immediately he purchased the sulfuric acid from one shop in Delhi in the month of April 2014. And again, he warned Preeti that she should not join Mumbai. She should not join Indian Navy. But Preeti just neglected his wish, and therefore Preeti has boarded the train from Delhi on 1st May 2013. And the moment Preeti alighted from the train on 2nd May along with her family members, accused poured through the sulfuric acid, that is about the 2 liters, and on account of such severe burn injury, she died after 30 days. I further pointed out to the court that during these 30 days, her vocal cord was damaged, her eyesight was completely damaged, lungs were also completely damaged. So she died in pain and agony. This is more cruelty. So these are the rare aggravating circumstances, and absolutely there was no mitigating circumstances. There was no remorse, no repentance on the part of the accused. Even today also in the court, he was laughing in the court. And this is a complete sadist depravity on the part of the accused. And therefore we said that there are no mitigating circumstances. All aggravating circumstances are present prominently. And therefore it is necessary to send such a person to gallows.
Mr. Ujjwal Nikam, you just said that there's no remorse, there never has been, but even today you're saying that he was not only showing no remorse but was actually laughing in court. Can you tell us more about this?
See, the accused has a sadist, in the language of the psychiatric, I can say. And sadism is a typical perversity in the human life. You see, the accused could have killed Preeti if at all we'll accept it that he had some love, and if Preeti had rejected his proposal, he could have easily killed Preeti in Delhi. But he has decided to kill in Mumbai only because he wanted to show that once he held the threat, he would like to fulfill the threat. To love me or otherwise you quit the world, that was the message he wanted to convey. And not only that, even during the whole 2 years court proceedings, he had changed 3-4 lawyers. He was talking very arrogantly, rudely with everyone. His behavior was totally non-cooperative in the court also.
So, Mr. Nikam, you were able to therefore, successfully establish for the court that in this case where an acid had been thrown at the woman's face, as you pointed out, it ended up damaging her entire esophagus, her throat, and led to her death. But you've been able to establish that there was a plan to kill right from the start, which is why we are seeing this landmark judgment of death penalty.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Because we have the documentary evidence, we have produced the register which was bearing his own handwriting. He had purchased the sulfuric acid under false pretext. He said that I would like to have a sample of sulfuric acid because I'm dealing in the motor car battery business. And thereafter, you see, in these cases, thereafter the Nirbhaya case and all these cases, the government had changed the acid rules also. Earlier, the acid was readily available in the market. But now, because after this incident, the government has got a strict ban on selling the sulfuric acid or any nitric acid like that.
All right, Mr. Ujjwal Nikam, really appreciate you speaking to us. Thank you very much for talking to us.